Hello, sir. Thank you for calling CTHM Restaurant. This is Kurt Cubil Alcantara. How may I help you?
Hello? I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly hope I am speaking to.
Mr. Amigo Alcantara.
May I spell out your name? Migo Alcantara? Migoalcantara. Did I get your name correct, sir?
Yes.
May I know your contact details?
0963-532-668-143.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Migo, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, sir?
June 5, 2024.
For how many people, sir?
For 2 person only.
What time do you want your reservation is?
Around 5 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 5 p.m. June 5, 2024 for 2 person only in non-smoking area. Under your name, Mr. Amigo, with contact number of 0963-532-668-143. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, sir?
None.
Mr. Amigo, thank you for patronizing CTHM Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Okay. Thanks.